It's John from Covers PC World here with a short little video about some top tips about how to maintain your new fridge freezer. Now the first one's really obvious. Don't leave the door open. Yeah, when you're going to and from your fridge freezer to get things out of it, make sure you shut the door. That will prevent any warm air coming into the unit itself. The second one is maintaining the actual seals around it. So every so often just have a little look, make sure there's no cracks or tears in it. And a good little trick here is get a plain bit of paper and just put it inside the fridge like that. And if the paper doesn't drop, you know you've got a good seal, so you know the seals are doing what they should be doing on that. The next tip is cleaning inside the fridge. Whenever you feel you're required to do that, just get some normal kitchen detergent spray and clean it inside. If you've got any lingering smells, a bit of warm water on a cloth with some bicarbonate of soda, wash it around, that should get rid of the actual smell, but make sure you dry it thoroughly afterwards as well. The last point is about stocking of the fridge. A well-stocked fridge will work more effectively than having nothing in it at all. But be careful, don't overstock it, because the fridge needs air to circulate around inside to make sure it works really well. That's about it, guys. Thank you very much.